No court of appeal after tribunal. All you need to know ahead of Presidential Election Petition Tribunal judgment. The Presidential Election Petition Tribunal has officially confirmed September 6 as the definite date for delivering judgment in the three positions challenging the declaration of Bola Tinubu as the winner of the 2023 presidential election. To ensure transparency, the proceedings will be broadcasted live. It is worth noting that the Chief Justice of Nigeria, CJN, Justice Olukayode Ariwola, has sworn in 307 justices in November 2022 to handle the 2023 election petitions, and an additional 37 justices were inaugurated on May 25, 2023, bringing the total number to 346. They were expected to deliver judgment before September 16 in accordance with the law, which mandates a 180-day period for delivering judgment after the filing of petitions by aggrieved candidates. The tribunal is composed of the following judges: Justice Haruna Samani, Justice Stephen Ada, Justice Mosura Bolaji Yusuf, Justice Moses Ogo, Justice Abba Mohammed. In the tribunal, Chris Uche leads the legal team representing Atiku Abubakar, the candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP). Wole Olanipekun leads the legal team for Bola Tinubu, the former president-elect and candidate of the All Progressive Congress (APC), while Levi Uzoku heads the team for Peter Obi, the candidate of the Labour Party. Here are some key points about the tribunal, its proceedings, and what to expect. Initially, 5 political parties, PDP, Labour Party, Action People's Party, Allied People's Movement, and the Action Alliance, filed separate petitions seeking to annul Tinubu's victory. Tinubu secured 8,794,726 votes in the election, defeating Atiku Abubakar of the PDP with 6.9 million votes and Peter Obi of the Labour Party with 6.1 million votes. During the pre-hearing session in May, the APP and AA withdrew their petitions. Among the various issues raised, the petitioners argued that Tinubu and his vice president, Kashim Shettima, were not eligible to contest the presidential election. They claimed that the president was indicted in the United States, that his academic certificates submitted to the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) were forged, and that Tinubu was a citizen of Guinea. The petitioners also contended that since Tinubu failed to score 25% of votes in the Federal Capital Territory (FCT), he should not have been declared the winner. On August 1, a 5-man panel of the tribunal reserved judgment after hearing the final written argument from counsels representing Atiku and Obi. While the tribunal's decision is not final, as either party can still appeal to the Supreme Court if dissatisfied, many consider that the tribunal's decision will significantly influence the Supreme Court's final verdict, whether in concurrence or disagreement. In the eyes of many observers, the Election Petition Tribunal has three possible outcomes: uphold the election results as initially declared by INEC, nullify the election and order a fresh one, reject the election result, remove the initial declared winner, and install the petitioner as the rightful winner. If the tribunal determines that the election is invalid and orders a fresh election, INEC must conduct the new election within 3 months from the date of the judgment. Should any of the petitioners or respondents remain dissatisfied with the tribunal's judgment, they can further appeal to the Supreme Court, where the decision will be final. Presidential election petitions are initially filed at the Court of Appeal. Yeah, you have it, guys. Let me have your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. What do you all think of all of this? Before we go, let's take a look at some of the reactions we got online. Peter Ogu says, Nigeria is not all about election but selection. Come sun, come rain, they have done their wish. Azuka says, may the will of God be done. But Jeremiah 29 verse 11 says, God knows the thoughts he has for his children, the thought of good and not evil. God, we don't need evil politicians who doesn't care about the poor masses. Clement Duke says, Nigeria is failed country, no respect for the rule of law, corrupt judge, weak institutions, corrupt politicians. The masses are divided along tribalism, ethnic sentiment. OKK Anthony says, let's forget the judgment tomorrow. Nigeria is lawless. 97% of our judges are corrupt and tribalistic. Joseph Oladejo says, who will deliver us in this Nigeria situation we are? This is not the first time Nigeria will hold presidential election. Why INEC caused this problem for us? But I'm so sure that if anyone beating the drums of war, it will backfire to the sender. You all, thank you very much for always listening and watching. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell. Share with your friends and family. Thank you very much for always listening. I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.